In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Drive. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your experience with the platform. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate Google Drive in the language you are most comfortable with. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a square made up of smaller squares. Clicking on this icon will give you quick access to various Google services. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing your Google account settings. Once you click the icon, you will see a drop-down menu with several options. This ensures you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on Account. This option will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all aspects of your Google profile. You should see a page with various settings related to your account. This is important because the account settings are where you can customize your preferences, including language settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it will help you navigate your account more efficiently. From there, click on Personal Info. This section gives you access to your personal details and customization options, including your language preferences. You will see various fields related to your account, such as your name and birthday. This step matters because it allows you to focus on the specific settings that pertain to your language choices. Once you click on Personal Info, you will be one step closer to changing your language in Google Drive. Now, locate and click on Language. This option might be a bit further down the page, so scroll if needed. By clicking on this, you will enter a section dedicated to languages. This is essential because it lets you choose the language that will be used across your Google services, including Drive. After clicking on Language, you will see your current language settings and options for modification. Next, click the Edit, which is represented by a pencil icon next to your preferred language. This pencil icon indicates that you can make changes to your current language setting. When you click on it, a new menu will appear. This little step is significant because it allows you to select a language that suits you better, enhancing your overall experience with Google Drive. You may find this step straightforward, but it is a critical part of the process. After that, search for and select your new language. In the search bar that appears, you can type the name of the language you wish to use. A list of languages will populate as you type. This is important because it allows you to find the exact language you want without scrolling through a long list. Once you find your desired language, click on it to make your selection. Finally, click Select. This button confirms your language choice and applies it to your account settings. Once you click this, you will notice a confirmation that your language has been updated. This step is crucial because it ensures that your selection has been saved and will take effect. Now make sure to refresh your Google Drive browser tab to apply the change. This action is necessary because some settings may not take effect until the page is reloaded. After refreshing, you should see Google Drive in your selected language, making it easier for you to navigate and use. By following these steps, you have successfully changed the language in Google Drive, enhancing your user experience. Enjoy your time using Google Drive in a language that feels right for you.